Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you woke up this morning and you said, what is today? Today is 7/17/2025. And then something clicked. And then you said, whoa, today breaks down to 789. If you notice this, you are on the money. Today is a 789 portal, and I want to discuss with you very quickly what this means and what you're supposed to be doing. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives nothing but spiritual lessons, rituals, and all types of way for manifestation and for your spiritual growth. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, join me every Sunday morning where I'm here. Where is my Sunday morning? I am here live at My World of Metaphysics. And don't forget, if you want to increase your spirituality or learn more, I do have some books out, dream books, scripting books using the 369 technique, the It Works technique, and I have out now my Simple Money Rituals book that has all my money manifestation ritual secrets all right here. So don't forget, you guys, go out there and get it. It's on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles. It's everywhere at this point. So now let's get back to the topic of the 789 and what it means for you. Now, again, you guys, today is July 17, 2025. If you break these days down, the numbers down, it comes out to 7. The 17 breaks down to 8, and the 2025 for the rest of the year breaks down to 9. So we're looking at 7, 8, 9. And this is a powerful day. And what are we talking about? Because it goes in a order, a consecutive order. Hey, look, this is a powerful day for you to do something. So now let's break these numbers down. These numbers break down to 7. 7 is a number of being on the right path according to the angel numbers. It is also a number of inner wisdom, because of this wisdom you're following, your intuition that you're following, you are actually on the right path, whether it's for money, your career, love, health, whatever it is. This number pertains to all things being on the right path. When we're looking at the number 8, the number 8 is an infinity number. This number is about abundance, okay, you guys? At the same time, in order for you to have so much abundance coming to you at one time, listen, it's also a number of leadership, okay, of strength, okay? So now when we're dealing with the number 9 is a number that everybody needs to focus on because it has to do with your life purpose. It has to do with you helping others, not just focusing on yourself. So when we put all these numbers together, what am I looking at? I'm looking at something where we're dealing with healing, getting in alignment with who you are, releasing and letting go of the things that no longer is for you so that you can build on whatever it is the universe or God has placed you here to do. So when we're looking at this, we're looking at trusting your intuition, going with your gut feeling, making moves according to what your intuition is telling you, and keep moving on. What am I saying about this day? Yvette, put it all together, please. Okay, when we're looking at 7, 8, 9, I would say in the angel numbers, I would say, hey, look, you're on the right path. This is a time to focus on getting in alignment with what you're supposed to be doing and moving forward. When you do this, abundance is coming to you in many forms. At the same time, when you are moving towards your right path, getting in alignment, you are showing leadership, trusting in the universe. You're showing strength, as the number 8 is indicating. Now, when you do these things, it's going to bring abundance because when you get in alignment with who you are, the universe rewards you, whether it's with peace, happiness, abundance, and money, or just living in prosperity, or maybe better health. When you get in alignment with who you are or what it is you're supposed to be doing, things come more easy to you because you are following the universe, your spiritual guides, and your higher self. Now, what this all boils down to, by doing these things, the number 9 comes in place. And that is when you are actually following your life purpose. You are also out there helping others to help them with their spiritual knowledge or helping them in some way. Maybe it's daycare. Maybe you're opening up a daycare center. Maybe you're writing a book that's going to make people happy, make people smile, make people laugh. Maybe you're going to raise the kids that are going to be the next president. Okay? Whatever it is that you want in your life, or which is in alignment with what you came here to do, is going to bring some type of happiness or abundance. So when we see 7, 8, 9, I'm telling all of you right now, this is a time for you to sit back today and start thinking about, what is it that I want to do? What is it that my gut is telling me I should be doing? And then I need you to start taking action. Start figuring out. Start looking up things on the internet that will bring you closer to what it is you're supposed to be doing. There are so many people out here that are living a life that they do not want. When you're going against your true self, things are difficult, things are hard, and you just don't know what direction you should be going in. So listen, 7, 8, 9 is a powerful number. Again, trust your intuition. Make decisions from your heart, from your intuition that's telling you to get in alignment. And again, this will bring you abundance in many different ways. Whether it's peace, whether it's happiness, whether it's the love of your life, whether it's just a calmer place to work at, whatever it is, when you follow your gut, when you get in alignment, this is the secret. Now, when we add up 7, 8, 9, well, we get to the number, 1524. Now, when you break this 24 down, you're getting number 6. Again, number 6 is bringing in that abundance, okay? But at the same time, if you know numerology, number 6 is the nurturing number. It's the number where you're giving, where you're caring, where you're in harmony with who you are. Again, bringing us right back to that spiritual growth of, it's not all about us all the time. It's about all of us, okay? So I'm not excluding me, but it's all about what it is that brings me happiness, gets me in alignment, but at the same time helps all others. And you notice the numbers go in order, okay? Almost like you're walking up a path or walking upstairs one by one. Again, bringing you to the number 9, which is your life purpose. Right now, people are probably saying, Yvette, what should I be doing? For me, I would take a little bit of time today, at any time, and sit back for 15 minutes and start getting in connection with who you are, asking yourself, what is it that I'm supposed to be doing? What is it that I would love to do for the rest of my life? Aha, that is the secret. What is it that brings me joy? What is it that I can do and it comes easy to me? Whether it's talking to others, whether it's coaching or counseling others, whether it's baking cakes, whatever it is, it does not matter. You all have talents and passions. You need to start focusing on those things. And this is the day to sit back and say, what is it that I need to do? Do I need to go back to school? Do I need to get certificates? Do I need to go out there and start looking for grants to open up my business? What is it that I need to do? And today is the day to start focusing on that right now. So again, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Don't forget, again, I do have a new channel for all rituals, whether it's bay leaves, cinnamons, scripting, whatever it is, candle work, it's all there. Don't forget to join me on Sundays, you guys, for my live stream Sundays where we all meet and commune with like-minded people. At the same time, don't forget my new book is out, Simple Money Rituals, you guys, where you would get all the money rituals in one book. Again, visit me at my website, myworldofmetaphysics.com. And if you're looking to shop for crystals, candles, sage, visit me at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Again, everyone, this is Yvette, and namaste.